Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back at the airport again this year and इस साल हम लोग जा रहे हैं मसूरी, which is commonly known as the Queen of the Hills. So ये पहाड़ों में जाएंगे, मैगी खाएंगे and इस साल I am not going with my cousins. हम लोग ने फैमिली ट्रिप प्लान किया है. माई मॉम एंड सिस्टर आर वेटिंग बिकॉज हमारी फ्लाइट 3 बजे है एंड इट्स करंटली 1 PM. क्या खाइए? ड्राई फ्रूट,
काजू
एयरपोर्ट स्नैक गाइस एंड खाकरा. You cannot be a Marwadi person if you are not carrying khakras on your trip. You know how after landing फ्लाइट के दोनों साइड से दरवाजे खुलते हैं एंड यू कैन गो फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स. सो माई फैमिली वेंट फ्रॉम द अदर साइड एंड आई एम अलोन ऑन दिस साइड. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना गो वेट नियर द बेल्ट. Hey you guys, good morning. So this is our day 1 in Mussoorie and as you all saw last night we took a flight, then took a cab to Mussoorie, then checked in hostel and had some warm food which was really nice, like considering the thandi yahan pe. It is like 10 degree right now. Okay, so 10 degree was in raat mein and during the overall midnight it's around 6 degrees. So yeah, बहुत ठंडी थी. So considering that ठंडी, the food was pretty warm and it felt good. आटा हाँ उतरो. So I'm all ready and we are going for a schoolgirl aesthetic. So yeah. So guys, this is धनौल्टी का इको पार्क और यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी है. इट्स लाइक अराउंड 4 और 6 डिग्रीज और मैंने शॉर्ट्स पहनी हुई है. सब लोग मुझे घूर रहे थे कि ये लड़की इतनी ठंडी में कैसे पहन के घूम रही है. So after Dhanolti we have moved to another hotel for tonight. So it's room tour time. So after resting for a while at the hotel, we have come now to Mall Road to shop something like shawls, scarves or something like that. And as you all saw, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी में मेरी फटी थी तो मैंने jeans में change कर लिया है. At Mall Road, we bought some gifts for friends and family and tried some momos and chaat, which both were not really good. Pune में बहुत ज़्यादा better मिलता है. And if I had to rate this place called Agarwal, it would be in minus because dinner here was total waste. Opposite to this place, there's this tapri kind of thing which sells chole kulche. They were really yummy and definitely a must try. To end the day nicely, I forced my parents to stay with me while I sipped hot chocolate. It was really yummy, 10 on 10, and the place was also nice and fun. I realized that no matter where you are, watching Anupama on your TV is an unforgettable show for your parents. So guys, as you all saw, हम लोग चेकआउट करके फर्स्ट स्टॉप हमारा है भट्टा वाटरफॉल्स. It's really pretty and I'm obsessed with my fit check and this scarf is giving. I just love my outfit today. So yeah, go check out the pictures on Instagram or stay tuned and follow me if I haven't posted yet. So right now we are at चार दुकान, which is basically 4 tea shops, जहाँ पे pancakes, मैगी और सब कुछ मिलता है. So we have waited to eat here and बहुत भीड़ लगी हुई है because it's Friday today. मैंने vlogs में देखा था कि weekend पे नहीं जाना है, but we couldn't plan accordingly because हमारे bookings वगैरह अलग तरीके से हुए हैं. So yeah, still we got a lot of crowd right now, इसलिए बैठने की भी जगह hardly मिल रही है. So yeah, now we are going to eat over here. और ये 4 दुकान नहीं है, अभी ये 5 हो गई है by the time because many things have evolved, right? Wait on 10. Now we are at Kellogg's Memorial Church. So after clicking some pictures and videos, now we are headed towards Sisters Bazaar. So basically Sisters Bazaar में कुछ 1-2 दुकानें हैं, cafes है and Landaur Bakehouse, which is really famous. So we are going to try something over there. But अभी हम लोग ने अभी ही खाना खाया हुआ है. So I was thinking we can take it parcel and go to Lal Tibba, which is a sunset point. So yeah, that's the plan. And just look at this road. The streets of Landaur are so scenic and cinematic that y'all can just enjoy walking around here. I was taking videos और मेरी मॉम और मेरी बहन मुझे पीछे छोड़ के चले गए. So now I'm going to go slowly, but that's the life of a content creator. Fit check transition because यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी है. मेरे हाथ भी लिटरली फ्रीज हो रहे हैं. I want to wear hand gloves.
मग किती पैसा हाँ
ले दो आने खासन
पण यू अटपा मंदे नहीं थी तर यू मैं पकड़ी वो.
How was the moment?
Amazing.
How was the croissant to monkey? I wanted to try, but बंदर ले गया. ₹560 पानी में गए. छपक. Took that cold coffee at the bake house जो बंदर लेके गया. It was not in our destiny, but मैंने मेरी बहन को बोला कि टेस्ट कर, इसलिए both of us got to have one sip and I kid you not, it was better than Starbucks. It was really good. The smell of the brew, the quality of coffee, it was really nice and it was not at all sweet. So पर हमारे नसीब में ही नहीं थी. We decided to ditch the actual Lal Tibba scenic point and we have found a spot for ourselves जहाँ से the sun is clearly visible. So I hope यहाँ से sunset अच्छा दिखेगा. The sunset is actually pretty from here. Check this. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to day 3 in Mussoorie, and today we have come to Library Chalk. So yesterday we explored Landor, which was really pretty. I think Landor is the best part of Mussoorie, but the only part that was missing is it had only mixed restaurants, like pure veg cafes or any restaurant options were not available. So that's good thing about Library Chalk. यहाँ पे मेरे को बहुत veg options दिख रहे हैं. So that's good thing for us Jains. So yeah, that's a good part about Library Chalk, and today we are going to cover 2-3 spots over here, and उसके बाद we intend to catch sunset at Dalai Hills, which is supposed to be really pretty according to the pictures and videos. So I'm really looking forward to that. Apart from that, last night we checked into Ghost Stops, which is at Library Road. It's not really good. Like the food also they provided was not at all good in taste. So that was my review about Ghost Stops at Library Road. मेरी बहन ने मेरे को वापस अकेला छोड़ दिया है because I was busy capturing all the videos for y'all. So please don't forget to subscribe. इतनी मेहनत कर रही हूँ भाई. Also, I really want to monetize in 2025 at least. I don't know. No vlog showed कि Library Chalk से explore करो. मतलब उस साइड से मॉल रोड जाओ. And it is the easier route. Like, if I give my opinion, अगर तुम पिक्चर पैलेस साइड से मॉल रोड एक्सप्लोर करोगे तो उधर बहुत चढ़ाई, तो उससे अच्छा लाइब्रेरी चौक से एक्सप्लोर करो. अगर आपके साथ आपके पेरेंट्स वगैरह भी है तो इट इज़ मोर कम्फर्टेबल एंड ऑल्सो द रूट इज़ प्रिटियर एंड इवन द शॉप्स हैव बेटर प्रोडक्ट्स इफ़ यू ऑल वांट टू परचेज एनीथिंग. लाइक बैग्स वगैरह भी इस साइड ज़्यादा अच्छे थे और हम लोग ने परसों ही शॉपिंग कर ली थी, इसलिए वी आर काइंड ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटेड राइट नाउ कि यहाँ पे बेटर सामान मिल रहा है. सो जस्ट अनदर डिस्क्लेमर फॉर यू ऑल. गाइस, हम लोग रोपवे से ऊपर आए फॉर दिस इज़ गन हिल पॉइंट. बेसिकली ऐसा प्लेग्राउंड जैसी बड़ी जगह है प्लेन, और उसके चारों कॉर्नर्स पे ऐसे शॉप्स लगे हुए हैं. कैफ़ेज़ के अंदर से व्यू अच्छा है, बट इट्स नथिंग डिफरेंट देन व्हाट वी सी फ्रॉम बिलो. लाइक जहाँ पे मॉल रोड से हम देख रहे थे, उधर से जो व्यू था वही है, सिर्फ थोड़ा और ऊपर हाइट से. तो कंपनी गार्डन में तो बहुत ठंड बज रही थी, बट अभी हम लोग आए हुए हैं दलाई हिल्स. उसके पहले बुद्धिस्ट टेम्पल पड़ेगा, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी गर्मी है बिकॉज इधर से सनसेट देखना है. Reporting from my sister's phone, we have found the right spot to click pictures जहाँ पे सनलाइट वगैरह सब अच्छे से आ रहा है. एंड यू ऑल कैन सी कि सब वहीं पे आने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एंड लास्ट मिनट बैटरी लो हो गई है गाइज. and the sun is about to set. The reason why sunsets here are so pretty is because you can see the winter skyline. और उसी वजह से यहाँ पे बहुत फेमस है सनसेट्स देखना. कल अल्टिबा ले लिया था और आज दलाई हिल्स.
Now just see the sunset. Enjoy it. Now let's come in normal attire.
बन बांध लो.
Sweater, cap, gloves.
Yes. So
Back
guys,
to 3-layer outfit.
appropriate for Mussoorie. You cannot stay without wearing a sweater here. 10 डिग्री के ऊपर हार्डली गया होगा टेम्परेचर कभी. हमेशा उसके नीचे ही था. So yeah, that was our last day in Mussoorie. I hope you all enjoyed or are enjoying still. अभी भीड़ बढ़ रही है, but the right time to watch sunset in Mussoorie from anywhere, literally Altibba or the Dalai Hills, is 5 p.m. because sunset हो जाता है by 5:20. So try to reach by 4:30 so that you can click pictures आराम से and then enjoy the view as well. So guys, we had both breakfast and dinner at the same place, which is called Neej Bhoj Pure Veg Restaurant. So it's a really nice option for pure vegetarians. So don't compromise by eating at Mall Road. Come directly to Library Chowk. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत veg options मिल जाएंगे. And after that, it's jalebi time.
कैसी रही जिलेबी?
8 on 10. To change my rating, it was not 8 on 10, it was 10 on 10. It was really yummy, crispy and not too sweet, the right amount of sweet. So yeah, it was really good. I got it at Bahar something. So yeah, it was really yummy. Good morning you guys. It's around 7 a.m. right now and last night was our last night in Mussoorie. And as you can see behind me, the sun is about to rise or has already risen. यहाँ से नहीं दिख रहा. So that's the update for now. I'll be ending this vlog over here because we are headed towards Rishikesh today. So I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. That's it for this vlog. I hope this video added value to your trip /plan /itinerary and I hope you all enjoyed if you clicked on this video just for fun. So yeah, thanks for watching me and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.